Hi and welcome to an Ocean AI market update for the 9th of February. So firstly, starting with the S&P here. So I've been looking for on a bigger time frame, the ABCD down to about 4,000. We haven't seen this fall away yet. Ideally, I was looking for it to fall away from here or from here, but it's continued higher. We're still in this bearish Gartley pattern here. So had a nice signal at the 78% last night for this Gartley here, and it's run up nicely. So if you're long in that one, look to take profits up around 45.50. The reason why is the bigger Gartley here. So I'll be looking for a short trade up in this area, waiting to see how it plays out and find a good place to get short. We'll keep you updated on that one. Yeah, because if we get up above this, or 45.80, sort of the line in the sand there, if we get above that, then we're likely to go higher and possibly head back to all-time highs. But this is the last place for now. Yeah, so I'll be looking for a short here. So if we go to the NASDAQ, NASDAQ is very similar, obviously a little bit more bearish than anything else. What we're looking for in the NASDAQ here is that ABCD Gartley up to 61%. Yeah, very similar to the S&P, looking for that one more move up to go short. And we've got the big number of 15,000 there as well. So once again, if we get above 15,000 and then pull back and retest it, then it's likely to go higher as well. The one that is looking bullish out of all of them is the Dow. Because the Dow's gone through the 78% from here and looks to be heading higher. Also, if we look at the open interest for the Dow, what we had here from yesterday, we've got higher volume and higher open interest. So there's more people in the market yesterday, which is a bullish move. If we go back to the if we go down to the NASDAQ, when it loads, so the NASDAQ, we had higher volume but lower open interest. So that can be bearish as well, meaning that people are leaving the market, hence more volume. And then if we look at the S&P, which is the bearish one out of all of them, you find we have lower volume and lower interest, lower open interest. So from yesterday, so meaning that the rally today was possibly short covering, people getting out of the market. So you had 11, nearly 12,000 contracts left the market, which is only 0.5%, but that's the bearish one out of all of them. Right, if we go to the gold now, got stopped out of the short gold from yesterday. I've entered again at 1828 short, mainly with the AI looking like it's going to head lower today. And also we have the double 1.618 extension here from this move here, and this move here. So if we get above 1830, it's probably likely to go higher to maybe 1838 at the 78% level there. But at this stage I'm going short again. Yeah, stop at 1835. I don't want to risk, 12 points up to here, 1840, to possibly take in all of that. But I'll risk that and then maybe get in there. Maybe get it third time lucky, but as it stands, I'm short now. We'll see what happens today. If we go to the Forex, just entered short in the New Zealand dollar, US dollar here. We go to the hourly time frame. I posted this one on TradingView as well. So we've got the, I'll go to 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour here, we've got the completion of the Gartley down here. So that completed. Now if we go back to the 30-minute. So that's the Gartley completion here. And what we've had 5 waves up, which generally means a change in trend. So we haven't had an A, B, C, D correction here to go long. So what I was thinking, we've had the A move here, and then all this is just corrective, and we're going to get the CD move down to here, or there's a possibility of even going lower. So yeah, just go short on this one, see where we get. And it's a small risk. If we get above this high, then it's likely to keep going, and we'll have to look for something else. So a good place to be short, low risk, but plenty of possible reward on that one. We look at the crypto here. I don't know whether you guys do crypto, but if we look at Cardano on the hourly chart here, same thing. We've had this drop and we've had this corrective wave back with a nice 3 drive here. It was a good place to sell yesterday. What I'm looking for is possible one more move down into the 80s before we get a decent move higher. So shorter time frame here, looking for this pullback into this area here, 50-60% retracement. That'll give us that Gartley sell. So yeah, I'll be looking at 120, I think, with only a 4.5 cent stop loss on that for a possible decent move lower. So I'll post that later on. And yeah, that's about it for now. Yeah, just those indices we've got to watch. I'm going to be going short, try and get as small a stop loss as possible, probably try and keep it down to 8 to 10 points. But yeah, I'll be out with that later. Yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.